Insurance in United States of America, we analyzed over 30 car insurance companies regarding pricing based on driving history, age, credit history, coverage level, and performance in terms of customer service, claims handling, and customer loyalty. USA is the number one for customer service based on our policyholder survey. Number two, American Family earns the top spot in our policyholder survey for claims handling. Top rated car insurance companies: USAA, American Family, State Farm, Geico, Nationwide. The best car insurance companies, I want to tell you about these in detail. USAA is the number one insurance company based on our data, but it's not available to members of the general public. For many drivers, number two rated American Family may be the best car insurance company. USAA Pros, available in all 50 states and Washington DC. Rated number one for the customer service based on policyholder survey. Cons: policies limited to the members of the military, veterans, and their families. USAA is the number one insurer in our rating of the best car insurance companies of 2023. Our results place the company at number one in many subcategories we looked at, including customer service, most likely to be recommended, and most likely to be renewed. USAA finished second to American Family in the claims handling score and is tied with American Family in the customer loyalty subcategory. And this company is also finished number one in our rating of cheap car insurance companies with low coverage rates in multiple categories. Now, American Family is the second insurance company, and the pros are number one claims handling in our customer survey analysis and received high ratings for customer service in the same survey. Cons: it only operates in 19 states. Many competitors offer low rates. American Family, which finished number two in overall rating of the best car insurers with a score of 4.3 out of 5. And the company is tied for number one in customer loyalty, stands alone at the top of the ratings for claim handling. And third is State Farm, which is highly rated for customer service by current policyholders. Premiums are often below the national average. Cons are policies can only be purchased through a local agent, and State Farm with a score of 4.2 finished at number 3 in our rating. The company performed well in all the subcategories we covered, and State Farm rates are the third lowest we found overall, and the company performed well in multiple rate specific categories, including the cost of insurance for teen drivers and seniors. And the next is Geico. Pros: offers some of the lowest annual ratings on average among other companies, score well for claims handling, customer loyalty, and customer service based on policyholder feedback. And the cons are drivers with a DUI have higher rates on average than the majority of providers in our analysis. It is also one of the cheapest car insurance companies on the list. Geico finished number 2 overall, behind only USAA in our rating of cheap car insurance companies with affordable rates in a number of categories, including low premiums for trained drivers and for drivers seeking minimum coverage. Nationwide. Pros: above average score for customer service and claims handling based on policyholder survey, affordable rates for drivers with poor credit. Cons are high rates on average for minimum coverage than competitors. Premium for drivers with a DUI are higher than the national average. Nationwide is tied with Geico at number 4 in our rating with an overall score of 4.1. In our rating of cheap car insurance companies, Nationwide finished near the middle, number 6 overall. And the next is Farmers. Pros: current policyholders give high marks for customer service. Majority of customers surveyed are satisfied with claims resolution. Cons are average annual premiums are higher than most of the insurers in our analysis. And Farmers typically offers some of the highest rates on average in our study, and finished ninth in our most recent rating of cheap car insurance companies. Next is Travelers. Pros. Average annual rate is lower than the national average. Cons. Policyholders surveyed gave it poor marks for claims handling. Traveler maintained its position from last year in our rating number 6, where it's tied with our four other insurers. And the Travelers has reasonable overall rates with premiums below the national average, and young adult drivers and senior drivers, along with the cost of the policies following a ticket or a DUI. Allstate, easy to open policy according to customer feedback, and the cons are rates are much higher than the national average, and the company is among the most expensive in our rating with its premiums higher than the national average. In each pricing category we studied included 14 and the senior drivers and for pricing after a speeding ticket or an accident and our rating cheap car insurance companies it was number 10. AAA offers a variety of discounts to maximize the savings, provides additional coverage such as gap insurance, and AAA was also rated number 10, and Progressive is also, but we are not discussing all of these because these are not so important and these have a rating of 3.9. So we are not uh, encouraged to buy these insurance companies. So it's better to focus and buy which are top uh, comp- top 5 companies in the United States of America. And as we tell about you that USAA is the best car insurance company based on an analysis because USAA is not available to members to general public. So it is the best car insurance company in United States of America. Thank you.